Today's kitchen skill video, I'm going to show you how to cut a mango. I used to love in Australia when we would, at the side of the road, they would sell trays of fresh mangoes, like we'd buy punnets of strawberries here. So you look for the top of the mango, and we're going to slice down just a couple of centimeters to the right of it, and you should be able to go all the way down, just skimming the stone there. I turn it around, keep the top facing up, and just skim around the stone there. Then what you can do is, I would often slice into it like this, and then you can pop it out like that and just eat it straight from that, or you can scoop it out with a spoon. And then you can slice it into pieces. With this one here, you can also run the knife over the back of it, and then it'll come off into nice cubes. And then for the last piece, this piece here, what I tend to do is just peel around the edge. And then either A is a chef's treat, you get to munch off the side around the stone, or you can try cutting a few little wedges off the sides, and most of the rest of that is stone, so just literally suck on that, enjoy the juices, and there you have how to prepare your fresh mango. Thanks for watching my kitchen skills video. Please like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you'll receive updates on lots of different recipes. Thanks for watching, we'll see you soon.